Good afternoon. My name is Alexander Flores. I have been a student of the engineer environmental for 35 years. I live in the municipal of the Funza and I work in the Crown of Madrid. I am married and I have two children. I like cycling and soccer. Um, the last trip we made was to the city of Santa Marta to celebrate the 15th birthday of my daughter. It was a wonderful experience where we met different beaches and different tourist cities of the city. We enjoyed the sun, the beach, and the sea for 5 days. The weather in the city where we went on vacation in skate place, but you should take many precautions since the sun is strong. You should use sunscreen for most of the time. You should also be careful on the set to avoid an accident. It is necessary to plan and advance a trip of the scenes. It is requiring to rent a loading gear to a review. It must be planned if it's a travel in airplane, in bus or private car, as it is going to be distributed to time to acknowledge the different tourist places of the city.